We're here at Collegetown Center at the west end of the third floor hallway. I wanted to show you that the hallway wraps around at the end, and we're going into apartment number 308, which is a 2-bedroom apartment. This is a corner apartment, so we've got a unique position in the building. Let's head on in. There's a closet right there. I'll show you that in just a minute. Here's our kitchen. This is a renovated kitchen, so we've got the newer appliances, the updated cabinets. We've got that nice double wide drawer there over the lower cabinets. There's the electric stove and oven. You can see the dishwasher under the sink, the refrigerator, the microwave, and again, the cabinets. And again, this is a renovated kitchen here in apartment 308. We've got a closet in the hall right across from the kitchen. So that's some great extra storage space for boxes, coats, luggage, things like that. I think this is a great layout for an apartment. Let's go on in. You can see here we've got the living room space. This is so cute. We've got the dining table and chairs over here, the seating areas. You can move furnishings around wherever you like. The air conditioner is under that window. Each room will have its own air conditioning and heater control. Okay, over here on our right is the bathroom. So let's take a look in there. This again is also a renovated bathroom. So we've got the new cabinet under the vanity, the new flooring. So a renovated bathroom here. The tub shower has the sliding door, and all the bathrooms will have a light over the mirror and a fan above, as well as those cabinets. There are 2 cabinets on the wall for a 2-bedroom apartment. Let's go take a look out the window here. So we're on the 3rd floor of this 6th-floor elevator building here at Collegetown Center. We are looking to the south, and over to our right is southwest, and that's where we're going to have our best valley views. That's really pretty. Let's go over and take a look inside some bedrooms. So you can see also here in the living room, we've got a lot of floor space. We often will see that dining table over against that wall. The bedroom on the left is bedroom 1. Let's go in there. That's the corner bedroom. So you can see that wraparound window. This room is so bright, it's beautiful. Let's take a look. We've got the bed, the desk and chair, and the dresser, and we have a closet which is over here. I'll get that open. Both rooms have about the same size closet, just a regular closet, but you also have that closet in the hallway in the kitchen as well. Okay, let's take a look out this beautiful corner window. So it wraps around. We are on the absolute corner of the building. This is south and west. That tall building to our right, that red building, is Collegetown Plaza. You can see some of our parking areas below. The parking is available for a separate contract. You can let us know if you would like to rent a parking space, and we can help you arrange that. So we've got these beautiful valley views. You can, if you look out this window, see the lake just a little bit. We can see it over a little better from, or much better from the next room. So we'll take a look at that when we're in room 2. So this is room 1, the corner room. Let's go in room 2. So here's the next room, room 2, same furnishings, desk and chair, dresser, bookshelf, full-size bed, closet over here. But we want to see the view from this room. So you can see we're facing west, and again, we're looking directly at Collegetown Plaza. But if you go over this way to the north a bit, you can see Cayuga Lake. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that better. There we go. So that is the south end of Cayuga Lake. You can see Cascadilla Hall directly next to that. So that is the South Campus dorm here in Collegetown. So we're right here on Dryden Road. You can see Dryden Road over there, and the gorgeous lake view from this room. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, 2-bedroom apartment number 308, with a renovated kitchen and a renovated bathroom, with lake views from bedroom 2, partial lake views from bedroom 1, here at Collegetown Center, located at 151 Dryden Road in central Collegetown, just 1 block from campus.